To add some style to your PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint allows you to add animations and transitions to keep it interesting. So let's start. So we have a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to start with transitions. A transition is between slides. So up here in the menu, we click on transitions to activate the transitions ribbon. And these are the different transitions we have to go between slides. You have the morph, fade, push, wipe, and it gives a little image of what it can do. Again, if you need more, you can click this button to see more, or this one to see all of the available ones. So once you've selected one, I'm going to pick a dynamic Ferris wheel one. It's going to give you a demo. There it is. So it gives you a quick look. And now you have some information in there. So when you go from this slide to the next slide, it's going to add that Ferris wheel transition. Now, I'm going to click on the next slide. Animations are ways we can present the information that's on the screen. So I come up to the ribbon, select the menu animations to see this ribbon, and now we have options for that. So I have this highlighted, and I'm going to do fly in. So it flies in. Again, we can see more by clicking this button, or this one shows all of the available, including motion paths, which are dynamic. It allows you to create a path for that to come in. So it's a way you can do it on your own without having to stick with just their template. So that would be one transition, and you notice, or animation, and you notice now there's a 1. This one has a 2, but it's not highlighted, which means this has an animation and it goes first. This is second, well, actually 0. So it's already going to be on there, and there's no animation to it. But if I highlight it and I say this, now it's adding that. So you can see that now there are numbers all associated with it to help you see the path that it's using as it animates. Now I can add animation here as well and see all of the options, the same as that. Drop down there. You can add triggers. So right now it's on the click of the mouse, but you can have other triggers that causes that to animate. So if I highlight it and say trigger, what is going to be the trigger for that? And we can say, you see all of those options there. Now we also have effect options, because this one is flying in, but it's flying in from the bottom. Maybe we want it to fly in from the left. We click on that, now it comes across. So you can have some features with this as far as being able to motion it. And this is where you can reorder your animation. Remember how this is number 4 now? Maybe I want it to be number 1. There we go. So now it's the first thing that happens. And then everything else adjusts after that. So this will be on mouse click the first thing that comes in, and then these come in on the next. All right. That is an overview of transitions between slides and animations of elements on the slide during the slide.